recipe for the day is a quick and healthy chicken wrap. First, start off by butterflying the chicken breast. Then add some oil to the pan and wait for the pan to heat up. Pop the chicken breast into the pan. Then I like to use some peri seasoning, garlic granules, and next we add paprika. Now, what we want to do is use the tongs to flip it over. Once we've done that, use the peri seasoning again, the garlic granules, and the paprika. After the chicken's ready, take the chicken breast and put it on a chopping board. Now I like to cut the chicken breast into small pieces just so that the wrap doesn't break. After that, we get the tortilla, add some mayonnaise, place the chicken breast on top, add some Siracha and also some Italian rocket. Finally, we add some mozzarella and cheddar. After, we take the wrap and sort of tuck it in from the sides and then roll it over. Now, we take the wrap and place it on the grill. And this is the final result.